it's shot day. Let me show you how to do it. 2 years into compounded tirzepatide. I'm on maintenance. I am doing 1 milligram dose from 5410. So the first thing you're gonna do is take your vial out of the refrigerator. It stays in the refrigerator at all times, and you can give it a swirl. Not a shake, a swirl if you wanna make sure everything is still mixed. It should be whether you swirl or not, but some people like the peace of mind of giving it a swirl, and it's very much appreciated if you give me a follow and like my content, or even comment on here and help me live my creator dream. You're going to take the bottom stopper off of your needle, then you're going to take the top stopper off, and you're going to carefully go into the vial. There's a circle at the bottom of the vial, you want to go inside of that, and then you're going to draw out what your dose is. And every dose is different. It depends on the concentration of the compound that you get. So each pharmacy compounds at a different concentration. So read your meds, talk to your provider if you're confused. Don't compare against other people. So I pull out and it goes really slow because it's very tiny and you just are patient. So my dose for 1 milligram is 12 units. So I'm gonna go to the 10 and then 2 little marks past that, and that is the dose in which I take. And you can take out, and some people like to get the air bubbles out because it goes in your fat. It doesn't really matter that much, but you try to get the air out just a little. And then if you haven't already cleaned the area, carefully put the cap back on. If you have cleaned the area, you can just go ahead and do it. But I roll my shirt underneath my bra so that way everything is exposed. I always use my belly button. I rotate sides of my belly button. You can even do it on the top. Some people do their arms, some people do their thighs. I like the belly because I can actually grab it there and it gives me a lot of peace of mind and less anxiety, because 1.5 years later, I still have anxiety about doing this. So I grab it, give it a really good wipe down with an alcohol wipe that comes with your meds. And then I take this and I uncap it and I save my cap. And then I'm gonna go in at a 45-degree angle, and I get nervous. I get really nervous at this point. So what I do is some deep breathing. I breathe in and out and in and out. And on the second out, I go in. Pushing it in really slowly can prevent burning and bruising and all sorts of other things. And then I pull it out and I recap my needle. My needle is sitting on the counter. I can scoop the needle into it. And then I use a sharps container from Pure Way that gets sent to me in the mail, and when it's full, I send them back. Put this in the sharps container because you don't want to put it in the trash because someone else can get hurt from it, and you don't want to be the person hurting someone else. And I'm on maintenance 2 years. I'm down like 50 some pounds on tirzepatide. My PCOS and my migraines are so much better. If you have questions at all about the journey, about anything, let me know. I love covering, answering questions, and diving into the science behind GLP-1s.